Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Chemist IITDH. Myself Pinakapani, a first year chemistry student.
And I'm Swastik, a first year M.Sc chemistry student, and we are here to tour our department. Let's go. So in the academic block 2, we have a very nice vending machine to get snacks whenever you're hungry, especially after researching continuously for 12 hours.
Let's go to the department.
Here at the first floor of A2, and as you can see, we are at the Department of Chemistry.
We are at the department and currently near HOD's office. Follow us to explore our labs.
So we are here at room number 121, which consists of 2 research labs currently belonging to Professor Supriya Raj and Professor Kundan Kumar Singh Sagar, both working in the fields of organic synthesis and inorganic respectively. Okay, so we will ask some of the PhD scholars here what it's like working here and what's the experience so far. Hello Bhaiya, could you please give your experience and say what you're working on?
Hello, I am Rahul Bangari and I am first year PhD student. So this is synthetic organic chemistry lab. So here we work on we have multiple projects going on. Somebody is working on CH activation and catalysis, and right now I am working on metal-free functionalization of arene moieties like amine, alcohol, kind of things.
So what it's like so far? You're a first year student, I believe. So how are you feeling?
Right now, I'm registered in PhD this year, but I am working since last year, so it's not so easy going, but we are enjoying that part.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Come with me to know about Bioinorganic and Catalysis lab. Namaskara Pavananna, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Let's give a small introduction about your lab to our viewers.
So my name is Pawan. So I am working under Professor Kundan Kumar Singh. So our research work comes from the basically nanocluster. So we are synthesizing nanocluster, and that we are using for catalytic application. So mainly for the small molecule activation, which are majorly pollutant in the environment. So these are our research, and can explore the research group. Thank you.
Follow us to explore about computational labs. Hello Rashi Didi. Can you share few insights about your research and lab to our viewers?
Yes, sure. Hi, I'm Rashi Jain, working with Dr. Sudhir Kumar Sahu. So our research domain is computational chemistry. Basically, we use DFT codes and all in the field of material sciences. I'm working such as on electrodes, and my junior, he's working on solar cells. So that's our work.
Thank you.
So we are going to explore the quantum dynamics lab now. So we have 2 PhD scholars here. Could you please each introduce yourself and tell what you're working on?
Hi, I am Annu Yadav. I am working under the supervision of Professor Mahesh Gudam sir. My research area is our group research basically working on the excited state chemistry, how the molecular geometry is changing between the ground state to excited state using the Cassishev and Caspity-2 method. Thank you.
I'm also working under Mahesh Gudam sir. My research is on chemiluminescence and using some multi-reference methods like Cassishev and Caspity-2.
Thank you. So here's the seminar room where various events take place. And in this corridor, you have various offices of various faculty members, mostly chemistry, but we also one professor here. Here we have a very beautiful balcony. Thank you. So we are here at an instrumentation lab where a lot of compounds that have been synthesized. So we are here at the chemical biology lab under Professor Neil Kaman Mahata, who's also our HOD. Let's explore.
Let's dive into the research of pi conjugation. We are here with Abhijit Bhaiya. Let's talk with him.
So, hello, myself Abhijit. So, I'm working with Professor Rajesh in the Department of Chemistry. So, basically, we are pi conjugated functional material labs. We develop novel porous material, functional materials for various applications like energy storage, catalysis. In particular, if I have to talk about my research area, so I developed novel donor acceptor pi conjugated system and mostly used for energy and catalysis.
Myself, Vinita. I'm working under Rajeshwara sir. So I basically work on quinidal small molecules and the polymers. So which we explored for photochromism, and we explored some quinidal polymers for electrical conductivity and supercapacitance as well. So this is like a brief what work I'm doing in this lab.
Hello everyone, I'm Sharath Pandey, and I am working on currently on two projects. Which is first one is expanded porphyrin, which contains the uh, inclusion of polyaromatic hydrocarbons in the porphyrin ring, and second one is a fluorescence sensor for the agriculture, to detect the infection in the crops at early stage of the stress. Thank you.
Departmental tour is incomplete without exploring our UG-PG labs in CIF. Come, follow us.
We are here at the UG-PG lab where we do all our lab practicals. Let's see. So here we have this cardboard box where there's a lot of lab coats. Not clean, don't wear them. And we have this cupboard here where we have a lot of files, papers. This is the workstation for two of our lab instructors. And here we have all the reagent bottles here. Lot of reagents, as you can see. Here, and even here. So we also have some bottles, big sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, a rotor which we don't use. Now we also have a refrigerator. I don't know what it's used for. We have a waste dumping area, a microwave, and these are the tables. As you can see, we have sinks attached at every end too. Then we also have a lot of apparatus lying around, like test tube, sorry, not test tube, burette stands. Then we have a weighing balance here. So there you can see there's a heating plate. We use it to heat a lot of mixtures. And here we have water baths, which we still haven't used yet. And here we have here we have UV, a UV apparatus, our UV cabinet. And if you see, we use this to detect spots. Now there is no compound yet. There is some old compound. And now here are the fume hoods where we do a lot of somewhat dangerous reactions which are not suitable to do outside. And these are some of the setups here. Here we have a desiccator and another heating unit here. Then these are a lot of new apparatus we have received in the lab. Here we have a hot air oven where we used to keep a lot of compounds warm. And now let's move on to the computational part of this lab. These are the computers where you do certain computational experiments, usually quantum. And these are all the apparatus that we use for our experiments. Fun fact, we actually washed them by our own hand at the end of last semester. So here we have a column where we did ion exchange chromatography. And here we have a double beam spectrophotometer, which is usually used for a UV visible spectroscopy of a compound. You put the compounds in this quartz or in this cuvette, and you place it here, and after that you shine a light on it and you get your spectrum. And now in every table at the end near every wash basin we have this area to keep the glasswares after we have washed them. And there are some more glasswares here. We have glasses for protection. Here we have distilled water, which is a very key component in most of our experiments. And here we have an emergency shower, which is mostly used to wash our eyes if any chemical falls on it or any. And here we have a first aid kit for any grave emergencies. So this brings us to the end of this labs tour. Hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, we have a lot of advanced facilities in this lab and many more downstairs, such as an NMR apparatus and an XRD machine, and a lot of advanced things in individual research labs that you can see in other videos. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.